Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviwed. Can you see this beautiful picture? Let's learn how to make it. It's so beautiful, right? Okay, so I started off by removing my molded fascinator, the crown. Remember, I used this very flat breakable plates, so that was what I used to mold it. Here I was just cutting it out. Thereafter I slot in the thin wire so it can remain firm. After that I just added some glue inside and try to cover it. Then I used that piece of short trouser that was inside that fabric I showed you guys earlier in the previous video. If you have not watched it, please kindly go and watch it. Okay, I used it to wrap it first before putting the fabric, the lacy fabric, which is silver, so that I can reflect white, because I didn't want to place it directly on the cinnamon because of the netty nature. Thereafter I took some of these lace and iron it on this very hard stay, the one they usually use for peplon. After that I folded it in half and just try to stick it together. I try to cut it in a shape like this, so just play around. Feel free to cut it in whichever shape you like. It's just going to work out perfectly. So at this time I was trying to figure out where to put it. Actually, I also ironed some and I just used my sewing machine to run it down two strips. Okay, so here I just put them together, and I also made one short one that looks like a fan, as you can see it right here. Then I got some silver or ash color feathers. I'm just trying to put everything together, and here it's ready. Can you see how beautiful and easy it is to make this picture? Guys, please share this video so that a lot of persons can see, okay? And save this video because you would definitely need it next time. Is this not beautiful? My client just said, please, I needed something very small and not big, and something that will just be pointing to the sky. And I decided to come up with this, and this is the best thing ever I have done, and I'm so excited. I'm proud of myself. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you find it inspiring, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and see you next time in my next video. I love you. Bye.